The Harmony family. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use sensual breathing to help you remove blockages, aka stiffness from the body, especially in our hip areas. A lot of people think that they're just getting old, and a lot of people think that it's just natural and normal, but realistically, when you understand holistic life and holistic medicine and holistic science and all of that stuff, you understand that breath work plays a vital part in your youth, in your aging. So I want you to try this exercise, because what we're going to be doing, and the whole point of sensual breathing, is to help you bring awareness to the parts of your body that has the most stiffness and has the most tension. So today I'm going to be showing you guys something or sensual breathing for your hip sacral area, so you can really open up your hips, because a lot of us deal with a lot of tension and closed hips areas. So I'm going to show you guys how you can really do that. So let's get into it. And the whole point of you doing sensual breathing is for you to bring awareness to your body in the areas that are very stiff, so you can focus breath work in that area and have that blockage removed, because a lot of this is not just physical. A lot of it is spiritually, it's mentally, and it's even emotionally. So when you do breath work, you're allowing certain energies to resurface so that you can deal with it and keep your body in flow. Everything is a flow. So when you understand holistic science, holistic medicine, and just holistic lifestyle, you will start to understand that everything is of energy and it's supposed to keep flowing. So when you're doing these breath works and you start to feel emotions that you've been harboring for a long time, go ahead and deal with those and keep flowing. Whether you crying, whether you get sad, whatever emotion that you feel, allow yourself to feel that way and then keep going. So when we do this exercise, when we're moving our hips, we're going to exhale and we're going to scoop. And you want to extend past your limitations, but don't overpower it, but make sure you're just really getting into the mobility of it, because that's really what you want to do. And this is really beneficial if you have stiffness in your hip area, your sacral chakra. This will also help you release tension and build up here as well.